When I was a deputy district attorney, I prosecuted literally thousands of criminal cases, everything from low-level misdemeanors to high-profile murders. So I know from firsthand experience that when the DA goes to file criminal charges, they often know very little about what really happened. Most often, the only thing they see is the police reports, which are full of mistakes, omissions, and false allegations. But there's always another side to the story. There's your side. And here at Las Vegas Defense Group, that's where we come in. Our job is to present your side of the story to the prosecutor, to the judge, and if the case goes to trial, to the jury.
A lot of people think of Vegas as this party town where just about anything goes. That's the marketing. That's the branding. But the fact is that the Strip is teeming with cameras, police, and private security. It's very easy to go from having fun to getting arrested. And contrary to a lot of popular belief, what happens in Vegas does not always stay in Vegas.
Many criminal defense firms here in Nevada are either sole practitioners or two-attorney operations. Here at Las Vegas Defense Group, we have the benefit of 6 attorneys plus our own in-house investigator and an extensive support staff. Together, we roundtable our cases. We brainstorm. We often conduct mock trials to anticipate the prosecutor's strategy. This way, our clients get the benefit of all of our education, experiences, and ideas. We truly are a defense group. This team approach allows us to devise the most creative legal strategies. We know our collective strength is greater than any one of us would be by ourselves.
Whenever a client comes to us who's under investigation or who's been arrested or charged with a crime, we believe it's critical to start working on the case immediately. By being proactive, we have a better shot of tracking down witnesses who may be hard to locate and locking in their memories. And by building a defense right away, we may be able to secure vital evidence, such as surveillance video, that's available now, but may be gone in a few weeks or even a few days.
Criminal cases move very quickly, especially at the beginning. When a person is arrested, the prosecutor may have to decide within a day whether or not to file charges. Once the case gets to court, the judge wants to move it along to clear the docket. In some situations, we have less than a month before the case needs to get resolved or get set for trial. If a lawyer sits on a case and takes a wait-and-see approach, then the DA gets a leg up on the investigation and legal research, and pretty soon the window has closed to stage an effective defense.
Here at Las Vegas Defense Group, we realize that we have no time to lose. We cannot just dive in months or even weeks after the arrest and expect favorable results. We have to be proactive and aggressive. We've got to get the ball rolling on day one.
Before I joined the Las Vegas Defense Group, I spent 25 years with the Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department. As a police officer, as a narcotics vice detective, and also as a supervisor. I can tell you from experience that if you have been arrested or charged with a crime, the police are not on your side. Their job is to find evidence that will get you convicted and send you to jail. That's why you need an investigator that's working for you and not for the prosecutor. Here at the Las Vegas Defense Group, we not only help you inside the courtroom, but outside the courtroom as well. We conduct a thorough investigation to uncover the evidence that supports your side of the story. We find surveillance tapes that the DA may not even know exist. We comb entire neighborhoods looking for witnesses who can corroborate your version of the events. We subpoena records to find things in the accuser's past that can undermine their credibility. We even pull the personnel records of the police to see if they have a history of misconduct. If there is evidence out there that can bolster your case, we make it our business to find it.
We understand that being accused of a crime, facing jail, and a criminal record is incredibly scary. That trauma is only amplified if you cannot reach your attorney. That's why here at Las Vegas Defense Group, you get a direct line to your attorney and your attorney's assistant. You can call us, text us, or email us at any time to get questions answered, or just to get some caring moral support to help you through this difficult time. Your legal team will always be here for you.
Lawyer accessibility is not just good for our clients, it helps us stay informed and on top of your case. After all, the single best resource a lawyer has when defending a client is the client.
Our client is the one that really knows what happened, who knows the players involved, and who knows where we may find helpful evidence. We need to stay in close contact with each client because the client is the key to unlocking the best defense.
The fact is that people do falsely accuse other people. Witnesses are often wrong in their recollections. Law enforcement is known to make arrests without probable cause and then lie about it to try to justify their actions. Prosecutors file cases based on inaccurate police reports and often overcharge defendants just to put the state in a more powerful position to plea bargain later. We know the criminal justice system is not an even playing field. The police and prosecutors have vast resources at their disposal. The accused is always at a disadvantage, but that's where we come in. Our job is to put the odds back in your favor and to help you fight back. Of course, our goal here at Las Vegas Defense Group is to achieve a successful outcome in your case without the need for a trial. But if your case must go to trial, our team has a proven record of consistently winning acquittals for our clients in even the most serious cases. There's a reason that the Las Vegas Review-Journal and the Best of Las Vegas contest awarded us the gold medal for Best Defense Lawyer and Best DUI Lawyer in Las Vegas. When we take your case, we take up your cause, and we won't stop fighting until you are vindicated.